need to pull this front panel off, the side panel here. You got a panel on the rear you need to take off. And you need to remove this panel right here. All you need is a loop on your wire. Override this switch. This will cause it to run continuous. You won't be able to shut it off, so make sure the blades are all clear so somebody won't get hurt on it. Now you need to start it up and let it run. I got a strap. When I start it, I will strap this pedal down to make the rotors turn and need to heat it up to 130 degrees. And then you'll start checking pressures. And we'll get to that. Cut it off. I'm using a 1000 PSI gauge. It will hook to your charge on the pump. You have to remove this cap. Take it off. And then hook your gauge, which we got the same type of fitting, the male. It goes in the female. Okay, now I'm going to take a 6,000 PSI and going back here to the back. The bottom one is a ML for your left hand side. This one, the top one, is your PUR, is for the right side. Now I'm going to hook the 6,000 PSI down here into the left side first. You take another 6,000 PSI, go back here to the back, to your right side. It will PUR. This is another 6,000 PSI, which I will hook it to the top one, which is the PUR, the right hand side. Now I'm going to take another 6,000 PSI. We're going right back to the back. Now on this 6,000 PSI, you will hook it to the GP3, which is the unloader block. Just unscrew the cap. Okay, be sure there's nothing around these rotors that will not get stamped or hurt you. Now we're going to start it up and heat her up. Do this without it. Then, run it about half throttle, heat it up to 130 degrees. You need a 13mm wrench and a number 4 Allen wrench. You will remove this cap and screw the Allen screws. Then you'll have to break the jam nut, which we got tamper-proof on it, because it's already preset. You have to break that jam nut and hold it and run your set screw all the way down. That takes the unloader out of the circuit. Taking the unloader out of the circuit, you need a strap or a lot of rollers. All you need to do is ease the pedal down and lock them rotors in. Don't do it at full throttle. Full